Hi there, I'm going to show in this video how to unlock T-Mobile REVVL 2, alias known as OT-5052W. As usual, we have here one sample. As you can see, it's network locked, and normally it can only be unlocked using the device unlock application from T-Mobile. And now also using FURIOUSGOLD box and OT Smart module from pack 6. We start by writing the proper model here in OT Smart module, one touch reveal 2. We are going to select remove scene lock, and I'm going to press connect. Once we do that, the software is asking us for the phone serial number. We can get this from the phone menu. And this is the device serial number. This is the one you can see here. So I'm going to write this in the software input box. So it's DMSS5L 55 and now we press done. Meanwhile, we power off the phone. The software started searching for the mobile. So once the phone powers off, we connect the USB cable to our device, and if everything is okay, the software detects the mobile and the unlock process starts. Depending on the serial number difficulty, the unlock process can take from a couple of minutes to several dozen minutes. Also, very important is the CPU you have on your machine, so the time depends from user to user. So now we only need to sit back and relax until the software does its job. Okay, that was all. The unlock ended. 15 minutes in total. So let's check for the mobile. As you can see, Vodafone Romania, full signal. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.